Excuse me, miss. Why is everyone standing outside?
Because someone pulled the fire alarm.
But I see people inside. I guess they don't care if they get burned up.
I'm gonna go get burned. It's at least warm, right?
Yeah, at least it's warm inside.
Yeah. Excuse me, miss. How does it feel to be outside with 50% of your clothes on?
It's cold.
Oh, you guys got a smoke break. Cool.
Have you thought about? Okay, excuse me, sir. What does it feel to be outside with 50% of your clothes on?
Nah, not good. Not good at all.
Yeah. You like it.
Get out of the entrance. You're in the way.
Whoa, there's another semi-naked guy coming out.
Hey, someone move me up right now. I need $2 million. I need more money.
So, miss, what does it feel like to be outside in a fire alarm with not all of your clothes on?
It feels good.
Does it feel liberating? And
Yeah, we're doing risky business actually. Get on them.
do you feel closer to nature this way?
Definitely.
Because apparently our ancestors, they also, in the middle of the wintertime, walked outside with minimal clothing and smoked cigarettes. But they didn't have fire alarms back then because they had sense to not create fire alarms. So is the cigarette warming you up?
This makes highlights. AMG! 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 AMG!
Attendees from AMG, please listen to what I'm saying. The people that are here have a job to do. Please keep it down. We love the enthusiasm, but the hotel has a job to do right now. They cannot do it if they cannot hear them or them. So please, just kind of tone it down a bit. We appreciate you and we thank you. So, thank you.
Oh my gosh, you are freezing. It's like the red carpet.
You pervert.
It's a sticker.
No, you've been caught. You've been caught.
From Marissa.
You've been caught.